How AI propels business to new heights. In today's fast-paced and digitally driven business landscape, companies face numerous challenges to stay competitive. One solution that holds immense transformative potential is artificial intelligence. At its core, AI refers to the ability of machines or computer systems to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It encompasses a range of technologies and methodologies. Machine learning enables systems to learn from data and improve performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Natural language processing allows computers to understand and interact with human language. Computer vision allows computers to understand and interact with human language. Across various industries, companies have successfully implemented AI to achieve remarkable results. In the retail sector, AI-powered recommendation systems have significantly enhanced customer personalization, leading to increased sales and customer satisfaction. In manufacturing, AI-driven predictive maintenance has minimized downtime and optimized equipment performance, resulting in improved operational efficiency. By leveraging AI, businesses unlock new avenues for growth, gain a competitive edge, and achieve unprecedented levels of success. To effectively incorporate AI into business operations, organizations can follow an implementation roadmap. Identifying suitable AI use cases, developing and refining AI models, assessing business needs and goals, acquiring the necessary data and tools, building an AI team or partnering with experts. By understanding AI's capabilities, addressing implementation challenges, and following a strategic roadmap, organizations can harness AI's power to drive innovation, gain a competitive advantage, and achieve outstanding results. So, take the leap, unlock the potential of AI, and propel your business to new heights of success.